love it. Gotta love nature. Man, what a blessing. Here's a really easy to do hack if you want to shift your energetic field and begin to attract more of what you desire to pull into your vibrating holographic field that we call life. And this is what we do in the monthly Waking Up in the Dream transformational experience online journeys. I'm going to share it with you. You have to take action, but it's so simple that if you're not willing to do it, you got to ask yourself why. So here's what it involves. The phone, the tablet, or the computer that you are watching this on right now or watching the replay. Set 10 alarms on your phone. It's super easy whether you have an Android or an iPhone. Go into the clock, go into the alarm setting, set alarms every hour or every hour and a half. Hey, thanks for the love. I set them every hour to go off. And it's easy to set one. If you don't know how to set more than one, there's usually a little plus button there. Click on the plus button, set it for 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 p.m., 1 p.m., etc. You can set it for vibrate. Every time that little alarm vibrates and you catch it, and you may not catch all of them during the day, but this is like having a coach or a mirror for free tapping you on the shoulder going, hey, where are you right now? So the second step is, as soon as that alarm goes off, all you're going to do is devote 1 minute. 1 minute of your busy schedule, 1 minute of your scrolling, 1 minute of whatever you're doing in your day. I close my eyes sometimes, I take in a big deep breath, and I smile. And the whole purpose of this thing is to go into gratitude, raise your vibration, and give love to every single cell that's in your body, your innate intelligence, trillions of cells that are unconditionally loving you in every single moment. And they have been since you've been in the womb. I mean, to me, that's mind-blowing. That something is serving us in every single moment without us having to do anything. And it's the same thing with Mother Earth. Mother Earth is just blowing our minds with oxygen, love, trees, plants, the most incredible animals, insects, birds, flowers, food, nourishment, water, clouds, rain, sky. It's going off, and it's all here with only one purpose, and that is to unconditionally love and serve us. Whoever's popping those love hearts, thank you so much. But this is true. So setting 10 or 15 alarms on your phone in vibrate mode, and every time they go off, I invite you, I kind of want to use the word challenge you, but when they go off, stop what you're doing if you can, and tune in. Tune in. Take a breath and go, wow, where is my vibration right now? And just think of one or two things to be grateful for. And for me, I can always easily go right into my innate intelligence is unconditionally loving and serving me in this moment. And for every wonderful thought I have that's on a high vibration of love, gratitude, amazement, those invisible thoughts, words, and emotions are magnetic. They may be invisible, but they're magnetic. And guess what magnets do? They attract more of what we're focusing on. Everybody's heard this before, but how many people are stopping 10 times a day for 1 minute to do this? Yeah. Do that for 30 days, do it every day, and then share it with everybody else at how magnificent the results were for you. Because guess what? If you don't do it, and you just go, oh, that sounds pretty good, those 50 to 80,000 thoughts that are running every single day, all day long, the programs that we've taken on from the school system, our parents, our grandparents, the systems of religion, the mainstream media, those things are looping. So this is the 10 times a day, stop the loop, super transformative love injection, vibrational, magnetic deal, whatever you want to call it, but it works. And I play with it every day, and I get more playful every day, because the more I tune in and raise my level of conscious awareness and vibration, I realized, man, I certainly wasn't doing this 10 or 15 years ago. I was just running programs, just trying to make it through the day and do my best. So now, let's take control of the fact that we are sovereign, divine, unlimited master creators. And all we have to do is give it our focus. That's the only invitation. Where is your focus in every moment? So I intend you find this valuable. It was going to be a 1-minute video, but I can't help myself sometimes. I want to inject the passion that I feel because it works. And everybody that accepts this invitation sees amazing results. See if you can take this further and go, you know what? I can do this for 30 days. I can set 10 alarms on my phone right now for 30 days because I know what he's saying is probably true, and I can do that. I don't have to hire a personal coach. I don't have to go to the gym every day. All I do is tune into those little alarms when they go off and go, wow, I'm going to inject the field right now with my love and my enthusiasm and my gratitude, and I'm pulling in, you can name off whatever you want, the most incredible people in the world to show up and support you and your tribe in whatever your passion is, in your work, in your music, in your play, in your body. Every single cell of your body is getting vibrated with your love right now. And I love to do the oming too. Om, I love every bit of my innate intelligence. And put your hand on your chest and you can feel it. It raises your vibration. I don't know, but it sure works for me. So try it out, do it, love it, raise your vibration, share it with other people, and just keep raising the field of conscious awareness. Anybody that's paying attention right now can see that things are opening right now. Keep an open mind. Question every belief, because most of them are limiting. Unless your belief is, I am a completely unlimited, sovereign, divine, creator, God being, and I am manifesting what I focus my thoughts, my words, and my emotional vibration on. It's a done deal. I love it so much. Loving Mother Nature too. Oh my God, what a blessing. All right. Hope to catch up to you soon. If you have any questions, if you want to do this and really undo limiting beliefs and programs, reach out, get on a complimentary call with me. Ask me about the 30-day Waking Up in the Dream transformational online experience. Go to the website, portal2awakening.org. Read the testimonials. They're mind-blowing. And it's from people that have done courses for 20 years. And most of them say this was the most fulfilling and life-changing course they've done. It's completely doable. Much love. Have an incredible day. Set your alarms. Rock this dream. Note to self.